yes, with the OTT, different stories are being made. Hence, people need good people to do those stories. May that be
Yeah.
technicians, may that be actors, may that be anybody.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and I'm extremely pleased to be welcoming Mrinal Dutt, and we will be chatting about his previous projects and his upcoming ones. Hi Mrinal, how have you been?
Hi, I've been very good. Thank you for doing this,
Most
and thank you for your
welcome.
time. I'm very good.
No one. Okay. So Mrinal, firstly tell me, I watched 55 kilometer per
You
second
did.
and I did. I reviewed it also and I loved it. I honestly, what I loved the most was how natural the film was made. It doesn't look like, someone's acting in it. It comes across as something very pleasing. So you tell me, the
Hmm.
response also I keep reading has been great. How does it feel?
Uh, Thank you. I'm glad you liked it to begin with. I
Yeah.
think yes, people are liking it. I have been getting messages. Some people have wrote in saying कि उनको बहुत अच्छी लग रही है film, and the what the film is trying to say, not really trying to say, but जो emotion है film का,
Yeah.
वो एंड में कहीं ना कहीं फील हो रहा है लोगों को. सो आई थिंक पीपल आर enjoying it, and it is a unique story also. It's with everything happening in the film, it's
Yeah.
anyway a very uh, different genre, so to say. तो उस इंटरेस्टिंग एस्पेक्ट के साथ उसमें वो इमोशनल कनेक्ट भी टुवर्ड्स द एंड जो है, आई थिंक वो अच्छा लग रहा है. सो इट्स बिन नाइस. आई मीन, हम लोग ऑलवेज बी रियली क्रिटिकल ऑफ व्हाट वी डू, बट अच्छी लग रही है लोगों को. पीपल हैव हैड I've had a good response, a positive response. Yeah, people like it.
Definitely. Yeah, and now you're of course collaborating with the makers of Asur. Asur is a show I think that created wave last year, and even today people are talking about it and watching it. And collaborating
Hmm.
with such makers, how does it feel, and how does this, come across?
It's good. They set out to do a very different kind of thing. The story is very interesting. It's a very good team, good set of actors. So all in all, the project is very nice, and I really liked the story and the character and what it's trying to say, communicate. It's a very interesting story actually. बहुत जल्द I think I'll be able to talk about it. और आप फिर eventually देखेंगे भी तो
Definitely.
it's quite a brave story. और अच्छा है, मतलब it's a different kind of story again. Yes, something which has
Okay.
happened in the society, but yes, it hasn't been shown so much as yet. But working with the makers, it's been very smooth. It's been a lot of fun.
Okay. And what about working with Priyamini and Satyadeep? Because we have seen them before in the web
Hmm.
space, Family Man and other shows. And,
Right.
working with them, how has that experience been?
It's been very good. They are very generous people. They are very good actors. I mean, that goes without saying. And I think I know I don't think I know Satyadeep
Yeah.
from before. तो हम एक
Okay.
दूसरे को जानते हैं, and it was very easy working, and just having that camaraderie, and just it was very easy. And Priya is very sweet, and she is again a very good actor, very generous. So it was never a problem. It was very give and take, very collaborative, a lot of fun scenes करने में, और it was all a lot of fun. Yes, all positive,
Okay.
all great.
Okay. And
Yeah.
I was, of course, reading this note wherein you said that, it has been a challenging part that you're going to play. So my question is, as an actor, when you're moving from one project to other, you have to leave the character behind, what you have already
Mhm.
played, and get into the skin of a new one. Is that challenging for you as an actor?
That is challenging, and that is also the most fun part of it. Just
Okay.
understanding the new part you're playing, getting to know it, and then playing it, processing it, learning about it, researching about it. तो वो
Definitely.
होता है कि मतलब I mean, to leave a character, yes, समय होता है. If you have time, if you're juggling एक character से दूसरे character, दो चीजें कर रहे हैं साथ में, तो कभी कभी थोड़ा tricky हो सकता है. But but it's no problem otherwise. समय इतना मिल जाता है. I think between projects, if you have time between projects, then it's great to leave one character, and then again all the research prep helps you get into another character. So yeah, and that's the most exciting and fascinating part. आप जब एक character को समझने की कोशिश research कर रहे हैं, आप you're jamming with the crew, with the director, with everybody to create that character. तो बाद में eventually फिर वो नजर आता है जो लोग देखते हैं, but उससे पहले there has been a lot of back and forth, lot of work into it, which is a lot of fun. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Yeah.
Okay. And do you think that, of course, now there is so much quality content that's releasing in the web space, and there are so many new and talented actors that we are coming across? Do you think that talent is now actually getting its own recognition and the, appreciation that it deserved?
Yes, I think so. I mean, also because पहले बहुत limited होता था, या television होता था, yes, I mean films which are have their own constraints and which are limited to the box office numbers and certain kind of actors and famous actors and the big actors. But abhi, yes, with the OTT, different stories are being made. Hence, people need good people to do those stories. May that be technicians, may that be actors, may that be anybody. So hence people are getting work and people are doing good work. And yes, it's amazing that, it's opened up for different filmmakers to come in और अलग-अलग तरीके की कहानियां बताई जा रही हैं और अलग-अलग genre ये भी दिख रहा है, वो भी दिख रहा है. पुराने actors को भी देखते हैं, they're also being called back, I mean, that's how it should be. There should be an ecosystem where everybody is working, every different kind of things are being made. And there is a lot of work to do for sure around right now. Yes.
Okay. And what about the censorship that was recently imposed on web? What is your point of view, as someone who has been working in the field and who is doing projects on web? How do you take it as?
See, what I also know is that digital, there's a lot of stuff which is not good also being made on the internet, which is sort of your below the belt and very not so cool stuff, and one should be responsibly making what they're making. At the same time, one should be allowed to push the envelope if they need to show a certain kind of thing for their story to be said or shown. So one should be allowed to do that, but again, at the same time, one should be responsible. So yeah, I think some sort of check, I guess, some sort of well thought of check is not bad, but again, कहानियां बताने से problem नहीं होनी चाहिए, like different stories could have different visuals or different things, which have different difficult things which happen in the society, वो दिखाने में मुश्किल और may that be abusing, may that be something other than that. So that happens in the society. So that also should be shown as and when where required. So yeah, it works both ways.
Definitely, yeah. And what about the prep work of your upcoming web series? Because as I said, that I read that you said that it was a bit challenging, and then of course sharing screen space with other actors. How was the prep like?
Prep, अभी तो मैंने काफी shoot कर भी लिया है actually. I am almost finished shooting for it. I'm just some days left of shoot, but prep was back in December. I had time. With the script, with the actors, I got to read and need to spend time with the writers, and yes, I mean, I had good time for prep for this, and I was able to do and work out different kind of things and what exactly how I'm going to approach it. So yeah, the prep was good. Prep, abhi it's on the other side. We're almost on the other spectrum. Khatam hone wala hai.
Okay, and when can we expect the release date to be? Any update on that?
I'll just say there's something releasing on in February, which I'm not supposed to say. I mean, February and March also. So soon, yeah. I mean, February, March mein hai. There are 2 things releasing, which you should hear about soon, I guess.
Okay, that's great. And are you also, of course, planning to stick around the web space for a bit now, or wherever good scripts call you, you'll go there?
I mean, web is what it is right now. Digital space is the best space.
Yeah.
But yes, anything that attracts me as a project, as a story, as people making it, yeah, I think I wouldn't limit myself. I mean, everybody wants to do films, so I
Definitely.
mean, I don't know what exactly you're asking, but yes, I would just, if there's a good project, I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Mrinal, for chatting with me. It was a pleasure having you. All the very
Thank
best.
you so much. Thank you so much.
Welcome.